Good morning, everyone, or good day today, everyone, and welcome to the Freedom, Reconnect, and Feelings webinar kit. We're going to start off by, I'm going to take on some valor today. Yay! Need a valor. Get us started. And I have some frankincense with me today. Woohoo! So, I have some of that put on. Get me ready and rolling as people join us and pop on. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for connecting us today with the people here that are joining us. I just ask that you bless this time with everybody, open our hearts and our minds to the intention and the messages that you have for us so we can move forward and reconnect with our Freedom and Feelings kit. So, let's get started. My name is Deborah Hardman. I'm the owner of Nature's Healing since 1999. I grew up in the greater Lansing, Michigan area, sang on the choir, ran in track in high school, and I'm a licensed cosmetologist since 1992. And I'm a certified massage therapist since 1994 and a raw foodist since 2005. Now helping one person at a time to experience optimum wellness using raw food and our Young Living Essential Oil Vitality line to flavor the dishes. This is my why. This is our family. Craig and I grew up in the greater Lansing area in Michigan. We have 2 grown kids and 9 grandkids. Been married to my best friend Craig since February 2nd, 2002. We went from living in a house to a modern home to apartment living, and now we currently travel the U.S. in our RV style, meeting new people and sharing the essential oils and the word on the road. And so this is my family plus my sister and her husband and kids and my brother and his daughter. So Janae, so I'm so excited to be sharing this information with you today. Re-establish a positive energy flow throughout the body and bring a sense of balance and harmony that attracts love and joy with the Freedom Sleep and Freedom Release Collection bundle. The Freedom Sleep collection of essential oils was created to help reestablish a positive energy flow throughout the body, helping relax and calm one's thoughts and feelings prior to bedtime. With improved relaxation, the body and mind are rejuvenated, bolstering one's ability to overcome life's challenges and reach one's highest potential. Contains 4 blends: Freedom 15 milliliter, the Aroma Sleep 15 milliliter, and the Inner Harmony 15 milliliter, and Valor, our 5 milliliter. Freedom Sleep and Freedom Release Collection Bundle essential oils was created to bring a sense of balance and harmony that attracts love and joy and helps release feelings of anger and promotes forgiveness, evaluating the mind and bringing out the gentle characteristics within oneself for a positive outlook on life. This one contains a 5 milliliter Freedom of and Divine Release, Joy, and Transformation, and TR Care. Freedom, you topically apply 2 to 4 drops directly to desired area. Dilution not required, except for the most sensitive areas of your skin. Use as needed. Aromatic, and you can diffuse it 1 hour to 3 times daily. The Aroma Sleep, you can apply it topically 2 to 4 drops directly to desired area, and dilution is not required, except for the most sensitive areas, and you can diffuse that 1 hour 3 times daily. And then the Inner Harmony, 2 to 4 drops to desired area, and you don't need to dilute either. And then the Valor is the same way. A couple of drops to a desired area, and you don't need to to dilute, and all of them you can literally 1 hour 3 times a day, which is very useful and helpful. And then you got the divine release, you got the joy, and you got transformation, and the TR care. All of them, literally a couple drops on the desired area. You can diffuse 1 to 3 times a day, which is, I would just do it throughout the day, which is a fantastic way to get it into your system. But I love to apply my oils in the morning and then just later in the evening, so that way I'm getting a dose the whole day. Now the Feelings Kit features 6 essential oil blends formulated to promote emotional clearance and a free renewal. And I love this kit. It really just has a lot to help you personally get grounded. This collection includes the Valor, Harmony, Forgiveness, Inner Child, Release, and Present Time. Reconnect Kit. Reconnect with the collection of the essential oil blends created to help maintain mental acuity and focus and support mood by uplifting and encouraging positive energy in times of restlessness and unease. There's times that I feel like I need this kit a lot more. Reconnect you and In Touch. You apply directly to the skin as desired, 1 to 2 couple drops on the sleepas, and the Gensu is specifically formulated for children, so you literally can put on the kids, no problem. All of them you can diffuse 1 hour 3 times a day. I just put my diffuser with oil with the water and just diffuse throughout the day, because then you're really getting in the system, so that helps. And of course we have our quality of from seed to seal that is our standard for Young Living, so that is what I love the best about our Young Living products. We are a company that plants them all the way and then seals the bottle at the end. Seed to seal quality, it's the best way to go. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy day to learn more about the importance of why the Freedom Collection, the Reconnect Collection, the kits are so very important for your life and your lifestyle, so you can get rid of all the emotions of things that have holding you up from the past and move forward in our life. If you are currently not a Young Living member, someone cared enough to share this with you, please get back with that person and tell them I'm ready to become a member and start my health journey today. This is awesome. If you are a member, thanks for joining us today. If you would like an invitation for the upcoming events, go to deborahhardman.com/upcoming events. But if you don't have anyone who has shared this with you, please feel free to get a hold of me through deborahhardman.com, or you can call 1-800-371-3515 and give them member number 102-6680, and they would be happy to help you get started. And welcome to our team of Young Living and moving forward in your life to serve better through Christ. Thanks for joining us today.